Hello there! In the previous video, we found out how to run a Python macro in LibreOffice Calc. But what about a Python function? How can we create it and run? Firstly, let's recollect how we can create and run a function using BASIC. For this, we need to open the macro editor choosing the Tools menu, Macros, Edit Macros. In the opened window, create a simple function greeting. This function will take a name as a parameter and return a greeting for it. Close the editor. Type our function in any cell, enter the parameter and press the OK button. Well done, it works. Let's return to Python. LibreOffice Calc doesn't have an editor for Python scripts as it does for BASIC. So we will use Notepad++ to write a Python code. First of all, create a Python file with the code for your function. All custom Python scripts are located in the following folder. Create file mypyscripts. Insert the following code. The greeting function returns greeting to the inputting name as a parameter. Save the changes and return to the LibreOffice Calc. Our Python function is not visible yet because LibreOffice Calc UI doesn't have direct connection to Python functions. So we need to create an intermediate function in BASIC to resolve the issue. For this, open the BASIC editor, choosing the Tools menu, Macros, Edit Macros, and create the intermediate function. In the following function, you need to specify the Python file name, function name itself, and input parameters in array. Close the windows. Now call the basic function greeting, which in turn calls the Python version of function greeting. Just type greeting in any cell and select the value as a parameter. Very good, we have done it. If you need more tools and functions to facilitate your everyday task, you can use the YLC Utilities. YLC Utilities is an extension containing many custom macros that extend LibreOffice Calc functionality. The tools will simplify your work by automating and speeding up various tasks. You will be able to do action with many cells in one click. For example, changing letter cases, removing letters or digits, removing leading, trailing or excessive spaces, delete characters at the beginning or at the end of text, get any word by any delimiter, and even translate text with Google Translate. There are also many tools for numbers, dates, ranges, worksheets, and many others. For example, custom styles for tables or getting data from the internet. All macro codes and useful links are available in the description under the video. If the lesson was helpful for you, please leave your thoughts in the comments and have a nice day. Bye!